Here we go. Well, this one was kind of a doozy. All right, when you have an equation set up like this, and you're not sure what to do, your first instinct should be to clear the fraction. All right, so what that means is you're going to multiply by the common denominator every term. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply, common denominator is 3 times every single term in the equation. So that gives me negative 3x minus, now what's 2/3 times 3? That cancels to just 2. So this is going to be minus 2. Minus 2y equals 0. Now it's formatted easy enough to be able to solve for y. So I'm going to add 3x. Now I'm just going to walk through the rest of this. And also add, I guess it would have been smarter just add the 2y over instead of doing 2 steps. Alright, so I got negative 3x minus 2 equals 2y. Dividing everything by 2, I get negative 3/2 x minus 1 equals y. So graph that. That's going to be, notice I write my fractions like this, not like that. This is better because then I know when I graph it to go from this point down 3, forward 2. Continue the pattern. Bada bing. All right, and then that second problem over there, I'll work up. That's just a matter of adding the x adding the x to both sides. So I have x minus 2 equals negative 2y. Dividing all terms by negative 2. Gives me x over negative 2 is the same as negative 1/2 x. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1 equals y. That's a y, trust me, folks. All right, so then go there. Down 1, forward 2. Continue the pattern. This one got 2 dots, so that is my answer, negative 2, 2.